This is an instructional video for assembly of the face shield, the two-part face shield. So the first thing you need to look at when you get your face shield is there's a plastic protective coating on each side, and you start at a corner, which we already started, and then pull to remove one side, and then pull from a corner to remove the other. And then after that, put the solid side of the headband up. You can kind of see there's a hollow side and a solid side. And then start snapping it in, starting at one corner. And then curl it around. And then the last two you snap, and then the last one you got to kind of pull a little bit just to get it started. And it'll snap into place. Yep. And then on the back side, you'll see a place for a rubber band that holds the back of the headband together a little bit better. And there you go.